In this video, I'll be showing you how to show bookmark bar in Microsoft Edge. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any device that you're using Microsoft Edge on. So on my PC right now, as you can see, I have a bunch of bookmarks already. So what I can do is if I press Control Shift and B, this is going to hide my bookmarks. So if you don't see your bookmarks right now, go ahead and press Control, Shift, and B all together at the same time. When you do, your bookmarks tab should appear. However, if they still don't, go ahead and press the three dots on the top right, and then go over to settings. Now, once you're in settings, go over to appearance, which is going to be on the left, and then scroll over to toolbar. So I'm going to scroll and find toolbar, and then find the favorites bar. So once I go over to toolbar and then I find favorites, all I'm going to do is once I find it, I just want to make sure that that is enabled, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.